Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be opening up a Unity kit of the month for April 2026. Let me tell you something. I looked at the 2025 kit and oh, this is on some thick paper. Maybe because it's my birthday month. I don't know. I don't know. I'm being silly. I'm being silly. So let's go ahead. We're going to do it a little bit backwards today. We're going to check out the quote unquote free stuff first. And I don't think I have a special package of any sort. I think they just probably put that on harder paper this month. I don't think I'm that special to have any company or anyone for that matter be like, oh, it's her birthday this month. All right, so we got a bag. You can always use this bag. We got some washi tape. This is very thin washi tape. Very, very thin washi tape. We got two little card fronts. And then we got some. Oh, look at this. This is so cute. This is adorable. This is very pretty. I just bought a thing off of Etsy that's super cute. I can't wait to share it with you all. It said it's 200 pages. Excuse that camera. And it says, a little hello, thinking of you. You make me smile. Today matters just because. Sending love. Happy day. You got this. You got this. A little note. Some stockings, flower. Very cute. Very cute. So, yeah. I think we can make those ourselves though. Not that we would want to since we got that. And then let's go ahead and look at this is me right now with this freaking laundry of mine. Life is ridiculous. Facts. Life is ridiculous. If this cat isn't in this set, I would be so furious. But we had this cute paper, and then over here we had this chicken with a happy birthday. Adorable. So pinwheel fun fold. Interesting how to do it. Life is ridiculous. Is this Life is ridiculous? Is the 2000? I love that. That is the name of this kit, and this is on some heavy card. Listen, everything about this is adorable except for this chicken. I know some of y'all are really into chickens. Wonder Dreamer, don't get me. Uh, I don't know. I don't like it. I don't like it. But anyway, one candle feels safer. Right. This is my birthday cake. You're the best moother. Oh, that's so cute. My other thing, sending a little mood lift. Oh, that's adorable. Happy Mooters Day. You clearly had a few birthday. Oh, wow. Your birthday cake is becoming a fire hazard. Mm, just a surprise? No? Just a surprise note, sending a tiny lift. Oh, that's cute. I'm fluttering by and suddenly forgot why. Oh, hi there. I love that. Hi there, friend. Doing things seems excessive today. Life's full of mysterious mysteries like missing socks. I regret nothing but kind of sort of do. I picked these just for you. So sorry. My gratitude is enormous. Today's forecast piles of everything. This is me. Just another day in the spin cycle. I think that's adorable. So you got some chicken and candles, and you got one, two, three, four, five, six layers. This cow is adorable, adorable. You got this little butterfly. You know I like butterflies. We got Grumpy Kitty Cat, and then we got this old lady. This would have been cute if it was a little girl versus a older person. Cause look, she got all these weeds, and if it was dropping dirt, it's still cute. Don't get me wrong. I really want to see the size of this cow and this bug, and then we can call it a day. Okay, so not too big right here. That one. So they're all decent sizes. I would say that these are very adorable and cute. I hope that you all enjoyed this. Let me know which one is your favorite one in the comments. And remember, life is ridiculous. Until next time, happy crafting.